Right, part 3, we'll work into the hips, the lower limbs, and just finishing up with a little bit of postural work. So start with your feet together, drop your knees down. If you like, you can grab the feet, use your elbows to push your knees down, opening up the adductors or the inner thigh. Again, hold a couple of minutes. All right, from there, nice quick one. I wouldn't overdo this one, but remember to bring your foot across and over to the opposite hip. Using both hands, gently lengthen the spine and pull the knee towards your body. You'll feel the stretch down the ITB and the outside of your hip. Turn to the other side, over. Body nice and light and long. Gently pull that leg up to your chest, stretching down the outside of the hip. All right, good easy ones. Then we enjoy rolling back. I think it's great to make a little bit of this. Just allow your body to rock back and forth, massaging the spine. And then lying back, we're going to pull the right knee up. You're going to place the left hand on the right knee and stretch that right hand out on the ground. You're going to rotate. Lovely spinal twist. Looking at that right hand. Not too much weight, just use a little bit of weight to increase the stretch and rotation through the spine, and you'll also feel a little stretch through the gluteals. Exhale fully, back to the center, change your legs over, and then your right hand pulls the left leg over, your left hand out to the side, looking at the left hand, using a light pressure to gently increase the rotation and the stretch in the hip. All right, back to center. And this time we're going to grab the big toe of the right leg. We're going to pull it up, and you'll find you'll start getting stiff here at most cases. Just work where you can. So you want everything good and straight. And as much as you can, you want to straighten that leg out. Using the quadriceps muscle to engage so that knee is strong and not shaking. If you have to start here or to use a rope, that's absolutely fine. I would do at least 2 or 3 breaths straight up, then gently lower down to the sides, so you're stretching the long adductors. Again, work that kneecap. Gently back to the center, switch hands so that your left hand is the outside of your foot, and just gently pull over to the opposite side so you really feel that through the ITB. A great stretch, don't overdo it. Then drop your foot to the top of the opposite knee, place your hands behind the left knee, and gently pull that foot towards you while you drop the knee away. Keep the foot quite well activated, and you'll feel that again in your hip. Don't overdo it. And we do the other side. So we reach up, grab the big toe, 2 fingers, stretch out, keeping relaxed on the floor, but working those legs and remembering to contract the quadriceps muscle. Once you get 2-3 breaths there, drop to the side, keeping that knee contracted. Back to center, switch hands, right hand on the outside of the foot, and gently over to the other side, so again you feel that ITB stretch. Drop your foot down, bend the knee, hands behind the right leg, and gently stretch that foot up towards you, using your elbow if you like to push the knee away. All right, and maybe a really good place to stop. 2 last ones to suggest a little bit of time in your belly, just tightening the core. So just keep your chest up and stretch out with one leg and back. With the other one and back, and you'll feel the temptation for the spine to lift. Push your spine down into the ground until you can hold that spine and pelvis steady while you extend and retract your legs. Excellent way to maintain the strength of your spine. And then the final one, relaxing back. Make sure you tighten the core, keep the body good and firm, and just gently lift your hips. Hold it, stretch out one leg, bring it back, stretch the other. If you like, you can do a couple on one leg. Really good for the gluteals, really good for your spine. And always to finish, relax, soften the body, slow the breath. And take a moment just to establish a slow 4-second inhale, 6-second exhale. Relax completely. Soften your mind. Appreciate the moment. And you're ready for the day.